Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Poco X3 NFC and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts. This is the step that prevents data loss and hardware damage. Next, heat the back lightly, about 60 to 70 degrees, for 1 to 2 minutes to soften the adhesive. This makes separations safe and controlled. Use a suction cup and a plastic pick to lift the glass. Make sure to pry evenly so you don't crack the back or disconnect cables prematurely. Once the back is off, immediately unscrew the rear chassis screws and disconnect the battery first. This avoids short circuits while you work on sensitive components. Then, gently unplug the LCD and digitizer flex cables. These are fragile, so lift connectors straight up with a plastic tool. Transfer any brackets or mid-frame pieces to the new screen, reconnect temporarily, and power on to test display and touch response. If it works, power down and prepare to reseal. If not, recheck connectors and clean contacts. To finish, apply new adhesive strips and align the back panel precisely. Once pressed, the adhesive grabs and is hard to reposition, so take a moment. Reinsert the SIM tray, boot the phone, and verify the screen, touch, cameras, sensors, and charging behavior. This confirms you corrected the issue without collateral damage. If the display is blank or shows artifacts, power down, reseat the flex cables, test the original screen to isolate the fault, and inspect connectors for bent pins before sealing permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.